You've noticed that I'm already in my backyard, and well, to be honest, I never expected it to be out in this weather. Well, since I'm outside, I might as well have time to share what kind of special events have been going on. But in the meantime, I'm gonna start by showing you one of my favorite characters. And this week is gonna be Majin Buu Monthly. And well, and to be honest, I never expected that I have to go this far. Anyways, tonight we're gonna draw Super Buu from Dragon Ball: The Final Chapters. Basically, I don't want to get into detail with drawing Super Buu, but as you get noticed by now, well, he's not like Kid Buu at all. This is what Majin Buu started. That's before he transformed into Kid Buu. Let's just say that, well, I'm just glad that that fight between Super Buu and Gotenks is finally done. Let's get started. Anyways, to draw Super Buu, you must start at the head. Then you draw the tentacles sticking out of his head. And basically, when he talks, he often show moves his neck in different ways. You know, when he's bending it. Shoot. Sorry about that. Well, I like to call this segment Majin Buu Monthly. I wanted to share this message with the entire planet on all the forms of Majin Buu. To be honest, I've been actually wanting to do this in warmer climates. But, um, greetings, my friends. Here we have his hand pointing up into the sky. There we go. Now we draw the finger, his fist. Here's Majin Buu's belt. I meant Super Buu's belt. I don't know why I have to confuse him for that. For him. Now we draw the pants. And finished. That's how you draw a Super Buu. Now I want you guys to share this with your friends on what character I've drawn up, because I got more like this on the way. If you want to find out more on how to draw more characters like Majin Buu, let me know down in the comments, and I'll be back to you as soon as possible. I'm proud you all enjoyed this episode. Please like your block and subscribe to my channel, and let me know which character you want me to draw next in the comments below. Stegosaurus, see you later.